Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and now every time we do an experiment like this and we combine different components, there's a level of risk involved. Some projects, there's super high risk where we have no idea what's going to happen, and there's a good chance the car may end up looking terrible. And other projects, there's a bit of a history there, we have a good feeling about it, and most of the time when we do something of that nature, it looks outstanding. This project that we're doing today is the latter. Anytime we've ever put a white powder HyperShift over a white base, it's been unbelievable. Today should be no different. You should be in for a treat. We're doing ZGL over a white base on the RS7. Enjoy the video. Alright guys, we're all done with today's project. Now yes, I remember what I said in the intro, and I did set myself up to look like an ass here if this car ended up coming out terrible. Am I going to look like an ass today? Well, maybe, but not for this reason. The car looks outstanding. I can't wait for you guys to see it. We're going to take it outside right now. When you see it, digest it for a bit, and then I want you to leave a comment below and rate this car from 1, where you think the color kind of sucks, to 5, where it totally blows your mind. If you want to dip your own car, we have a ton of colors and kits to choose from. Click right up here. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. It's Fonzie. I'll see you guys on the next video. we have a pretty good idea. We've got a history of a project like that, and they usually come out pretty good. What we're gonna do today is the latter. Whenever we put a white powder HyperShift over a white base, every single time it's been unbelievable. Today should be no different. We're using what is it again? Some of them have super high risk. We have no idea if it's gonna work out at all, and the car may end up looking like terrible.